Not so pleased with yourselves now, huh?
Whoa, watch where you're waving that thing.
No more pigeon shit on my car, eh, Tommy?
Guess not.
You're damn right. Now listen.
Nobody fucks with me and lives. Fuck me! This is insane! I wanna die!
This is Control. We are shooting right forward.
You want more?
Little Havana.
You want more?
This is Control. We have right forward.
Don't mess with me again!
Tommy Vercetti! Remember the name!
Dispatch 5 minutes from Little Havana. We've got an injured civilian in right port. Dispatch 7 units from Little Havana. Subject last name is a white vehicle. That's 4 units from Ocean Beach.
reject, plastic crap! You doing this to me? Who do you think you are, you piece of plastic shit? Oh! Oh! Screw you! It is my favorite El Burro movie. It died. What else can I do?
It's probably not plugged in.
What? Damn. No matter. I can buy 100 more. Now, Tommy. Each month, a freelancer sails into Vice City in Morris's yacht. He sells his cargo to the first boat. I want you to take the speedboat and beat all the other shitheads to it. Then you bring the cargo here. Okay?
Yeah, my man. Now, you feed me all this lonely tough guy crap. But I know one day I'm gonna save your ass, and you're probably gonna want to kiss me.
Wacko.
We got some competition.
I mean, we know it was Diaz busted our deal, so why in the hell are we running errands for him?
The more we learn now, the less we have to learn when we take this town over.
I like your style, man. Real fresh. It's time for the Lance Bandstand.
That's the last of them.
I'm gonna start her up. I think we got some new friends. Watch yourself! They're coming from all over!
Got it! Head for Diaz as fast as you can! Eat it! Eat it! Sleep with the fish! You want some of this?
Gunman on that jetty! More trouble up ahead!
my friend. You're a real, proper grade A lunatic.
Well, thank you.
See you around, Tommy.
Okay, Mr. Lance Vance Dance.
You